Hey, it's Ryan with Beyond Braid. Today I'm going to show you how to install our Beyond Fishing rod holder. It's super simple. What you'll need for this install video is a drill or screwdriver, the included hardware in the box, screws and mounting hardware, and a level just to make sure it's straight. It's a super simple, straightforward install. Once you're done, you're going to be able to line up 9 combos, rods or combos, whatever you want. Very simply put, you have some 3M sticky tape on the back. Just get your placement exactly where you want it on the wall. Make sure it's level. Peel all of these 3M stickies back. Once you've peeled all your stickers and you have the sticky side exposed, you're gonna go in, again, measure where you want this thing to be. Let's find that sweet spot, and we're gonna push. You're gonna come in with your drill and your support screws, self-anchoring, and just tap them in. So you have some pre-drilled holes right there, and then there you go. Simply pull back, put your rod in, and let it go. Now, to stagger your reels like this, you simply just have to put them in higher and they will hold up. So let's say I want to put this one a little bit lower. We'll put this one lower. Then we got another combo we want to put in. We're going to put this one a little bit higher. All you're doing is simply folding back this little tab, flick it, and it holds.